The moment she enters, everyone looks at her. She was truly very beautiful. Sanjay looks at Mona and keeps on looking. He truly likes Mona. Mona greets them, serves tea and snacks and sits with them. Sharda to Mona, "Come sit next to me, beta." Mona sits beside Sharda. After a little chat, the family sends Mona and Sanjay to talk in private. Sanjay to Mona,
What kind of work do you like?
"I do all kinds of work, but I especially like office work. I really enjoy it.
And what about food?
I love eating ice creams. I can eat ice cream day and night."
Oh, really? You like ice cream that much?
Yes. Sanjay and Mona talk a little more and then come back down. Then Sushila to Mona, "Beta, do you like the boy?" Mona blushes and quietly leaves. Sharda asks her son, "Do you like the girl, Sanjay?"
Yes, Mom.
As soon as Sanjay says yes, Sushila distributes sweets to everybody. In a few days, Sanjay and Mona get married. Everything was going fine, but one thing did not change: Mona's love for ice cream. Sharda, the mother-in-law, grew worried. One day, Sharda to Mona, "Bahu, eat less ice cream. In this house, we cook so many other things. Eat that too." "But Mummy ji, there is nothing in this world that is better than ice cream. I can eat ice cream every day." "Yes, I can see that, but do you know that eating so much of ice cream can cause harm also?" "But Mummy ji, why do you think about the harms of the ice cream? Just think what a wonderful thing ice cream has been made. No matter how much you eat, you never get bored. When you get cough or fever or obesity, then you will understand." "We will see that later, Mummy ji. Right now, I just want to enjoy. I will eat ice cream always." "Talking to you is useless. Fine, do as you wish." Sharda leaves from there. She tries her best to make Mona understand things. But Mona never listened. Instead of changing, she ate even more ice cream. Days pass. Soon, Mona began to have pain in her teeth. Still, she ignored it and kept eating ice cream. Slowly, her weight started increasing. So one day, Sanjay said to Mona,
Mona, just look at yourself. You have put on so much weight.